Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to quickly connect your Shopify store to Brevo to automate emails, marketing and boost your sales. So let's get started. First, open your Shopify app and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, at the top of your screen you will see the search bar. Now search here for Brevo. Once you find it, click on this and this will open this kind of interface. Now click install for complete the installation process. Here you have to again click on the install button for the confirmation. Now once it's done with installation process, here you have to click on get started. Then you will see a pop-up window. Now if you want to get free trial, just click on start my free trial. And then here you have to choose your payment method and then fill this form. So after that, once you connect it, you can start using automated workflows, email campaigns and more. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.